The ANC's International Relations Chair, Edna Molewa, says that it would be unfortunate if the International Criminal Court was to rule against the government in the case involving Sudanese President Omar Al-Bashir. They will be making the ruling tomorrow in The Hague. She made the comments on the sidelines of the ANC's National Policy Conference at Nasrec, south of Johannesburg. The ICC is expected to rule on the matter tomorrow.
The Omar Al-Bashir case continues to haunt the South African government. The country is waiting to hear the International Court's decision on Pretoria's failure to arrest the Sudanese president when he attended the AU summit in Johannesburg 3 years ago. South Africa is a member of the ICC and the Rome Statute, which formed the court.
Especially if at The Hague, the decision comes out saying that South Africa was wrong. That's what would necessitate more the pulling out. Because we've always said that those Rome Statute must be amended or at least be subjected to better interpretation. Because right now, if the statute does not allow a country like us to, which is, by the way, not even a host of the meeting that was sitting here. It was a meeting of AU, but not allow immunity to be given just for that meeting for presidents like that and hold South Africa, a country like us, responsible, and is not amended. It means this thing is going to be repeated one day, and we do not want to see a repeat of what happened last time.
Turning to proposal around the international relations policy, a decision has been taken to finally address the political tension in Swaziland.
Let SADC as a body take up this issue like SADC has taken up the matter of Lesotho and intervene at that level so that at government level there is a discussion and finding ways of ensuring that people in that country live in harmony and actually have their democratic rights. As the African National Congress, we are concerned and we do believe that this is the right decision, but our government should actually take it through. We will engage at party level as well. We did make a point that there are parties there that actually have also been silenced, which can't work with us. So once that has been enabled, we'll be able to interact with those parties at party-to-party level.
On Israel, Molewa says the proposal to downgrade South Africa's embassy in Israel was not arrived at without deep consideration.
Well, I've received calls already since last night, actually, after reporting from the people, especially around South Africa, saying that they are not, they're still saying, we want to understand what informs this thing. We have this to say. The commission, again, delegates came there and pointed at various other things. Your own MPs as South Africa were actually sent away, not allowed to go through certain places in Israel and when they wanted to go to Palestine. Your own, the Israeli ambassador also issued a very strong statement against the ruling party, against the government. It's just unprecedented. We have people there who are on hunger strike, who are just not locked up in prisons. They mentioned all those things. And those who have been there have actually come back saying that the situation is horrific. And again, as South Africa, we know that the people of Palestine deserve good. And it is for that reason that we're saying it is important, therefore, that we, at this point in time, consider what could be done to pressurize the Israeli government for them to be able to come on board.
The policy recommendations will have to be ratified at the National Elective Conference in December this year. Sophie Mkwena, SABC News, Johannesburg.